Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Jaguar remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to split the case in half at this point here. So we need to get our flat-headed screwdriver and just place it down this little hole here, like so, and pull back, and it releases the clip and it splits the two halves of the case. Now we get a slightly larger flat-headed screwdriver, and at this point here there's a little indentation. You can just get the screwdriver in and twist it like so, which splits the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. Just get our screwdriver again and just simply prise it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing. We make sure that it is facing downwards, like so, so we know it's in its correct location. And we just pop the two halves of the case back together. Make sure it's all lined up nicely. Make sure it clicks all in place. And now we just we slide the two halves of this case back together, and there you go, it's all done.